Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to transfer TikTok Shop balance to GCash, send money from TikTok Shop to GCash. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. From there, go to the balance section. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot button to access the balance option. For some users, this option may also be available under settings. Once you open your balance, you'll see sections like coins, others, transactions, and live rewards. This is where you can transfer your TikTok Shop balance to GCash. Open live rewards, and if you have available rewards in your TikTok account or business account, you'll see a withdraw option. Tap withdraw, and if the option is available, you can transfer the balance directly to GCash. You can also use a GCash card for withdrawals, as GCash provides a card option allowing you to access your rewards through your GCash account card. And that's it. This is how you can easily transfer your TikTok Shop balance to GCash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.